Hey, welcome to Choo. I'm Jacob and I'm in Darwin at my parents' outdoor kitchen and I'm about to cook a tropical feast that is going to blow at least my mind. We've got emu, camel, buffalo sausages, buffalo burgers, snapper, mangrove jack, and we're going to accompany it all with some mango daiquiris. So, stay tuned for that. So, we've got one of the snappers in alfoil, one in the paper bark. They're both going to come out pretty good. They are different fish, so it's not like we're doing a test to see which is better. We're just mixing it up and having a good bloody time.
So I started by chopping up some lemongrass and grating some lemon peel to add that zestiness without overpowering the fish. You can squeeze some lemon on once cooked if you like. I chopped up some garlic at just a single clove and pound up some black pepper. I then chucked all that in the mortar and pestle, added a splash of olive oil and gave that a bloody good pounding too.
I'm not making a paste. The whole point of this is just to release those flavors. Oh wow! Oh, smell that. Hey you.
Whoa!
You want to smell, Uncle Fred? Get over here.
Oh, that's actually beautiful, eh?
He's acting. He's like, I hate this shit.
I grabbed a big banana leaf to serve on simply because it looks cool, and when walking the dog earlier, collected some paper bark from the local paper bark tree in the local park. Bark. I just bloody collected some paper bark. Then I grabbed that little concoction I pounded earlier and I'm gonna stuff that right up inside that fish, baby. Oh yeah. Then just give it a gentle coat of olive oil and mate, you're set.
Make sure you get rid of all the bugs.
Once you've flicked off all the ticks, it's a good idea to soak your paper bark. This will stop it from burning, catching on fire, or sticking. It'll stick a little bit, but it won't be so bad. I then wrapped the fish, tied it off, and mate, I was set.
A nice paper bark package with the soaked paper bark. So this is far from traditional, but paper bark gives it a real smoky flavour. So it's not the same as smoking, but it has a very unique flavour profile to it. Oh, look at that, mate. Hey? Hey? Now traditionally you put that on the coals. We're not doing coals, it's too hot already. We're just going to chuck it in the oven, but it'll still taste, yeah, it'll be fine.
Now for the second snapper, I'm going to keep this one even more simple. I'm just going to put in some purple onion, some coriander, and some Thai basil. I'm going to use olive oil to stop it from sticking to the alfoil. I would have liked to have put this in paper bark as well, because I do appreciate that smoky flavour, but I haven't done this in a while, and if I fucked it up, I didn't want to ruin dinner for my family. So alfoil it is. The oven is preheated to about 220 Celsius.
What sort of oven is this? Fuck!
And I'm going to leave that in there for about 20 minutes. In the meantime, let's get a drink.
Yeah. No, that's not my beer. Okay, so while the fish is in the oven, that's going to take about 20-30 minutes. Then we're going to grill up the meat. The meat's not going to take long. So in the meantime, it's tropical daiquiri time. So it is absolutely not mango season. Oh, but fortunately, my glorious parents had the foresight to freeze some mangoes. We got shitloads of these in the freezer. So the best part about frozen mangoes is it's really cold. You don't need to add ice, which means more mango, more booze. Thick. I might have to add half a cup of water to this, which is regrettable. Just put a little bit in. Hello. Just to help it slosh around. White rum. Usually we do 2 or 3 shots. So, does that seem like 3 shots?
That was more like 2.
2. There you go. Cointreau. Essential, because that gives it that zesty, citrus, orangey, yummy. And you want about a third of what you put in there. Cointreau, so we'll do 1, maybe 2, like that. That's all you need in what I call a Darwin daiquiri. Probably should plug it in.
Mango, mango, ba-ding dang dango, mango, mango, ba-dagga-dagga-dang, mango, mango, ba-ding dang dango, I lick the mango, bang, 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 mango, mango. Boys, here, Dad, give this a bloody bell, mate.
Oh, thanks, Jacob. It looks delicious.
What do you reckon?
Oh, that is delicious. That is like liquid gold, isn't it?
That's so good.
That's a Darwin daiquiri. That's a Darwin dac.
Thanks, man.
Is that it?
Yeah, for now.
Alright.
What's it doing? Yeah. Oof. All right. Ooh. Ooh. That's good. Let's go Paperbark. Oh, so hot, but you can see all the yummy stuff. Oh. Ah. Ah. There's a small fish. Yeah. You can absolutely taste the smokiness. Again, it's a different fish, so it's not an experiment per se, but oh my god, that is good. I like that more. That's really good. Let's eat. Oh, you're hacking away at that fish, are you, Dad?
I am. That's Mangrove Jack. That is delicious.
Not bad.
No, snapper. Is that redfin snapper?
They're both snapper, yeah. Well, Mangrove Jack is snapper.
Snapper, yeah.
Turn this over.
Yeah, flip it, give it a flip. It'd be stuck to the bark, though.
I'll just take the spine out. There we go.
Oh.
You want some lemon, mate? Yeah, wouldn't mind it. A bit of lemon.
Absolutely destroying that fish.
Hey, thanks for watching. We've got at least another 2 Darwin videos coming out in the next few weeks, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. I love you guys. See you later.
Yep.
This is a delicacy.
It's gonna make you smart.
Yeah.
Oh, you take the jelly off.
There you go, Father.
I'm gonna vomit.
What's this? That fish eye?
Yes, but
Oh.
take the jelly off.
No, just eat it.
You take that bit off there.
No, you don't. You just eat
you
it.
do.
Then you-
How would you know?
Oh.
Oh, you alright?
There's a bone in you.
Eye burn.
All right, Boris.
So much for the eye.
Not that tasty, to be honest. I'll be upfront with it, and it's covered. It's got like a bone callus thing in it.
Why do you think it's the last thing left in the dish?
Nobody's gonna eat.